my first boring operation. I had some comical activity going on there. Apparently the chips are running the other direction now. Okay. Let's see if I can't recreate this phenomenon we had going on. What I had going on was the string, chip string was coming out that hole, and I was actually able to just feed it out. Now I suspect everything is piling up down here. Yeah, as I suspected. Okay, let that go too long. Do you think? Yeah, hit the like button if you think I waited too long to clear that out. I guess ideally we get this to come out the other direction. Well, I was getting that effect early on. Okay, let's give you a slide this way. Let's try one more, just for in case I have to edit the whole beginning of this. Now, one thing I'm forgetting is I'm cranking the wrong direction. So I'm going to go inside there. find the wall. There we go. Now I'm going to give it negative 10 thousandths. I think that's comedy, don't you? Okay. Okay, let's pull that out and okay, if anybody knows what that material is, leave something in the comments for me. Tell a buddy, bring a friend. Please like and subscribe.